You have the Blu G53, looks like this, really cool camera feature, G53, make sure we're talking about the same phone, and you're frustrated because you thought this was dual SIM, but you can't find another place. There's only one SIM tray here, there's no other SIM tray, and this is what you've discovered. Here, let me show you. Alright, when you started your phone, you popped open your SIM tray, and you discovered that there's room for one SIM card and your SD card, and it's like, where does the second SIM tray go? Well, let's see if that camera can focus, and it kind of gives us a hint right there. See how it says SIM 2, SIM 1, TF is the other word for SD card. Watch this cool little trick. Hold that first one. Now you sacrifice memory, so you can't use your SD card, but when you're traveling and you need your second SIM chip, either because you're in a different area or for work reasons, that's how your second SIM chip goes in, right there. Lays flat right there, lays flat right there. And then very carefully, kind of like to hold it down while it goes back. There you go. And that's where the second SIM goes. And unfortunately, you lose the extra memory that you use with your SD card, but at least you can make phone calls in the places that you need to. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.